Have you ever been in a situation where you have to send a series of emails to your leads and customers and you have to do it manually, taking up so much of your valuable time? I know I've been there. The process was complex and time-consuming, but I found a solution that's made it incredibly straightforward with Outreach AI. The challenge lies in creating seamless email sequences. It often involves navigating and composing each message manually, which can be a time-consuming and inefficient process. Here's how I was able to simplify it. First, I made the emails to send out. To do that, I went to my Outreach AI dashboard and scrolled down to the Marketing tab on the left-hand side of the platform. Then I clicked on Emails and chose Templates from the drop-down menu. Next, I clicked on the New button at the top right corner. Now here's the game changer. You can either select from a collection of 1,000 plus ready-made email templates or choose to create one from scratch. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you just how easy it is by starting with a blank template. Then I select Design Editor. It's as easy as drag and drop. First, I added our company logo, then a text element for the message. Outreach AI even offers a Content AI feature, which can help generate content seamlessly. Just click on the Content AI button, give it all the information it's asking for, and then hit Generate. By using custom values, I could make it feel personal, addressing the recipient by name, for example. For added engagement, I included links to our social media platforms. And if you want to add a footer, it's as simple as dragging and dropping. You have the freedom to experiment and fine-tune your email to perfection. For a strong email strategy, it's important to send multiple emails after the welcome message. In this tutorial, I created 5, but you can add more as necessary. Now, it's time to automate the process. This streamlines my email marketing efforts, ensuring timely and consistent communication with my leads. It frees up my time, reduces errors, and scales effortlessly as my business grows. I did it by heading back to my Outreach dashboard and clicking on the Automation tab under the Marketing tab on the right-hand side. I clicked Create Workflow, chose Start from Scratch, and gave my workflow a name. Now it's time to set up a trigger that would kickstart my automation process. In this case, mine was a form submission. I selected the appropriate form and saved the trigger. Next, I set up the sequence of actions. Using the wait function, I precisely timed when each email would be sent. Following that, I selected Send Email, providing the necessary details and opting for the initial template I crafted earlier. I replicated this process for each subsequent email, starting from the wait function onwards. I set up a day or two intervals before sending out each emails, though. Before going live, it's crucial to test the emails. I did it by sending it to my email address. Once satisfied, it's time to hit Publish. Don't forget to save your workflow. And there you have it. With Outreach AI, setting up email sequences has never been smoother. Give it a try and watch your email marketing soar. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Happy emailing.